Lenovo ThinkPhone offers a bunch of excellent specs on the go. The 80-watt charging facility smartphone also gets an amazing set of cameras and steady storage that provides users sufficient space to store all their images and videos. Furthermore, the 12GB RAM with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset ensures a lag-free performance. Talking about display and camera, Lenovo ThinkPhone comes with a 6.73 inches OLED-type screen, which flaunts a pixel density of 399 pixels per inch, a resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixels, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. There is a triple camera setup embedded within the Lenovo ThinkPhone. This includes a 13-megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, a 50-megapixels primary lens, and a 5-megapixels macro lens. Some basic features of the rear camera configuration are ISO control, touch to focus, face detection, HDR mode, and exposure compensation. On the front side, a 32-megapixels primary lens is present. Now talking about configuration and battery, Lenovo ThinkPhone is configured by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and an Adreno 730 GPU. Octa-core layout including dual-core, 2 GHz, Cortex-A75 plus hexa-core, 1.8 GHz, Cortex-A55. An octa-core layout including Cortex-A710, Cortex-A510 and Cortex-X2 along with a 12GB RAM takes care of the other operational experiences. Inside Lenovo ThinkPhone 5000 mAh battery. This cell is non-removable and belongs to the Li polymer category. Moreover, the battery is compatible with an 80-watt charging mechanism. Storage and connectivity, Lenovo ThinkPhone features an internal memory of 256 GB to store huge amount of media files and other documents. However, the storage space within is restricted. That being said, there are certain connectivity elements that users can employ. These include Wi-Fi 5.2 Bluetooth, mobile hotspot, 5G and 4G networks, a GPS and Wi-Fi.